Hi, my name is Vinyas. I'm basically from Bangalore. I'm doing my master's in University of California, Irvine. I did my undergrad from Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering in Bangalore, and right now I'm doing my master's in chemical and biochemical engineering. What I would like to say first is UC Irvine is really good for biochemical engineering, for biomedical applications, and cancer research and drug delivery research and bio related. People who would want to pursue a career in this field would find this very helpful, and UC Irvine to be a very good university. But if you are into hardcore chemical like process engineering and petroleum, UC Irvine is not the place for you. But for biochemical and biomedical work and biological research and material science, UC Irvine is one of the best universities in US.
So you're planning to graduate in December
Yeah, I'm
2016?
going to graduate in December 2016.
Do you already have a job offer?
No, not yet. I'm still trying to find a job. I did.
So
my
what about
internship.
most of your classmates? Have they got jobs or?
No, not yet, because most of them are still doing their courses, so it'll take some time to find a job. And
What is the placement like? Which are the top employers for chemical
it
engineering?
depends. Like if you're into on what branch of biochemical engineering are you into, it depends on that what job prospects you have.
No, which are some of the popular companies which recruit?
Right now, I know of a company called Zymo, where one of my seniors got in, and one of my classmates also has applied. So they are right now I'm the only company I know right now. But it depends. Like one of my other seniors is working Irisis, but he's working as a quality assurance scientist. But I would like to say like there are a lot of places to find a job like Amgen and other big pharma companies. But yeah, most of them they go for thesis, and yeah, finally they find a job based on their thesis. So it's really hard to say which company is the top employer. That's what chemical engineering is about right now, because it becomes more detailed. Yeah, I did my internship from Syngene in formulation development. It's in India. It's a part of Biocon. So yeah, I mean this basically our branch, like our department deals with more into biochemical rather than the actual chemical engineering, like petroleum process R&D, pharma and stuff. Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
So what about like which all universities you had applied to?
I had applied to UC Irvine, I mean University of California Irvine, University of California Riverside, and Texas Tech University, Arizona State University, and a few others. I got into University of California Irvine, Riverside, and Texas A&M Kingsville. That was just a safe option. But I had a hard choice between UC Irvine and UC Riverside. But
I think UC Irvine is ranked much higher.
yeah, Irvine is ranked much higher, and the education quality is really better. That's what they say. And even Riverside has its own perks, but I prefer to go to Irvine because of the research.
Did you have funding in either university?
No, I didn't get funding in any of them.
So your parents sponsored you?
Yeah, my parents sponsored my education, so,
So,
I didn't get any funding.
Then what about internship? Did you do any internship?
Yeah, I did my internship in Syngene Biocon in India for 3 months. Then I came back for I just did it from June to August.
So this whole program, approximately how much did it cost you?
Around $40,000 till now. I
see.
think it'll go up to 50.
So you didn't get any TARA?
No, I didn't get any, but a few in material science did get a few.
So in chemical
my
engineering, how
branches-
many students were in your batch? Masters?
Around 40, I think, including everyone, including the PhD students who came along with us.
I see.
Okay.
So do you strongly recommend this program for future students?
Yeah, I would if they are into biochemical research. And if you want, there's one of my other friends who studies with me who's doing this master is waiting right there. So if you want, you can ask him for a better opinion or something to support some other things which I may have missed.
Yeah. So all right, and so best of luck in your career, and thank you for your video.
Thank you.